key feature of the Uri Park project is redundancy and expandability. We've got multiple water sources from bore and river and the ability to expand for more hectares. We also have the ability to handle a super low water supply situation with a small coffer dam direct feeding into the pump station from the bores. The project is designed around 100 hectares of protected citrus with the capability for another 100 hectares and also ability to use the pump station for other crops during the out of irrigation times. That could be almonds or other horticulture. The system has ability to run on multiple power sources from mains power to generated power, and also will incorporate solar. The solar is well suited to this project as the bulk irrigation is done during daylight hours, and generator performs backup with the intentionally managed citrus. Because the system is designed around irrigating in daylight hours, about 8 hours a day, we have a significant period the pumps are not utilised, and we have the ability to irrigate another crop, for example, with the other hours in the pump station, making it a better value proposition. The pumps and filters in the main pump station, we actually need 2 pumps for the stage 1 citrus. We've installed 3 as redundancy, and similarly with filtration, we have 2 filters which match filters elsewhere on the property, and we have the ability to scale up to another 2 filters to handle the additional 100 hectares in the future. The fertigation and irrigation system for the citrus is quite intense. It irrigates in 1 shift with 8 millimetres per day maximum. Peak irrigations are expected to be around 6 millimetres. The fertigation system is 5 fertigation channels, all fully proportional and all fully controlled by the PLC and automation. We've put together a mix of off-the-shelf products with some fairly high-tech oversight to keep monitoring and manage all of the products, the mixing and the injection rates. We have integrated some novel technology in the mixing chamber in the main lines, and we have the capability to roll that across the expanded main lines in the future. In line with other concepts in this system is the ability to be high performing and also redundant. So we have put a lot of thought into the mixing of the fertiliser. We can take pre-mix fertiliser from off farm. We can also mix all 5 products on farm at very high rates, and we've automated that process as much as we can, and we have scope to automate that further in the future. The intense irrigation management and requirements of the citrus under the netting requires that we have no margin for error or downtime. And such, we've allowed redundant pumps, redundant power sources and redundant fertigation systems to handle any major break.